The Great Fridge Escape. One night, deep in the kitchen, the fridge door creaked open, just a tiny bit. Inside, butter shivered. "Rrr, it's so cold in here. I wish I could feel the warmth of the kitchen." "Milk, always the daring one," said. "Then let's escape for a little adventure." Eggs gasped, "Leave the fridge. That's crazy." But Cheese, always up for fun, wiggled in excitement. "Let's do it." Carefully, they climbed onto the vegetable drawer, then bounced onto the lower shelf. With a final push, Butter slid out of the fridge and onto the counter. "We did it!" But just then, thud, the fridge door closed behind them. "Oh no," cried Yogurt. "How will we get back?" Just then, Spatula, who was resting on the counter, spoke up. "Need some help?" Together, they built a tower, cheese on top of yogurt, butter on cheese, and milk balancing at the very top. With a mighty stretch, Milk pushed the fridge door open just enough for everyone to slip back inside. As the door closed, they all sighed in relief. "That was exciting," Butter said, snuggling back into place. And from that night on, the fridge crew had a little secret. The warmth of adventure was worth every chilly return.